Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check emails on your localhost WordPress site without installing any third-party configuration or plugin or software on your desktop or laptop or PC, whatever. So many of you might have installed some SMTP software on your local server to check emails functionality, but in the WordPress you don't need to do that. I'm going to show you how you can check emails in the WordPress backend itself. No need to install or configure any SMTP software. So first let me open my local site. Let me open admin, and we will download a plugin. So that is achieved by a plugin called email log plugin. So this is the plugin. I will provide this link in the description section. I will download this and I will add this plugin. So that's the plugin by which we can check the emails in the backend, and this works on live site as well, but there is no need to install this plugin on the live site until you want to debug some email functionality. Otherwise, just add this plugin into the local host. So I will upload this plugin, install. Plugin is installed. Now activate. Not sure why this is taking time. Okay, now plugin is activated, and as you can see there is a new admin menu added over here, email log. So all the emails we can check in this email log over here. Currently email log is empty. Now let's perform some action which triggers the email. For example, maybe we can add comment. Let's see. So comment has been added. Let's see if this triggers an email. Nope. Okay, let's add a user that triggers an email. I know. Yeah, here is an option to send a new user an email. So test user 1. test user one at test.me. And the great thing is on the local host we can give any email ID. It will not check that it is an actual email ID or not. And I will add new user. As this button is checked, so that will trigger an email to this email ID. So now user has been added. Let's go to email log and refresh this. Okay, so two emails are gone. One is to admin. Let's see what is there for admin. So in the admin it says new user registration on your site. So that is to the admin, and that is to the user we added. And yeah, username to set your password. We have added some links. So yeah, this is how you can check emails on your local host without configuring any SMTP plugin software on your system. Let me know if you have any doubt or question, or maybe you have some better suggestion for this plugin. Please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.